Have you recently lost your work or study permit in Canada and do not know what to do next? IRCC has just introduced a major policy update that gives you a much-needed lifeline. Previously, if you lost your status as a worker or a student and had no immediate way to get a new permit, you were often forced to leave Canada. Under the old rules, you could generally only restore your status to the exact same category that you held before. If you could not get a new work or study permit, you had to pack your bags and leave the country. But under the new rules announced in May 2026, out-of-status workers and students now have the option to apply to restore their status as a visitor. This is a massive change. It means that if your work permit expired and you're waiting on a new job offer or LMIA, or if your study permit expired and you're exploring permanent residency pathways, you no longer have to leave the country. You can legally remain in Canada as a visitor while you plan your next steps. However, there are still 3 critical rules you must follow. First, you still must apply for restoration of status within 90 days of the exact day you lost your status. Second, you must stay physically inside Canada while the application is processing. And third, you must stop working or studying immediately. Restoration of status is discretionary and is never guaranteed. It should be treated as a last resort. Do not navigate this complicated process alone. Contact Dara Immigration Services today and let us help you safely restore your status and secure your future in Canada.